OnePlus 13s comes with lifetime display replacement offer. Why does it matter? OnePlus has been riddled with the green line display issue over the last few years, and the company finally decided to act and fix the problem. OnePlus now offers free display replacement with a lifetime warranty, which is also applicable for the latest OnePlus 13s model that has launched this week. Whether users own an older model or are considering the latest releases, they can rest assured that their investment is protected from display issues, the company had said earlier about its new plan to please its users. The AMOLED display on OnePlus phones have faced the green line issue, which tends to show up after a new update is installed by the user. OnePlus was expected to offer a solution, which it seems to have done, but still continues with its promise of free replacement for old and new models. OnePlus 13's free display change for life keep buyers happy. OnePlus faced a lot of criticism for lack of action against the green line issue. In fact, offline sellers in India even decided to warn people from buying its phones. Now, having lifetime warranty brings a definite surety from the brand, and allows people to consider buying their products, including the new OnePlus 13s, from the market without worrying about its possible issues. The company earlier pointed out that the green line problem was because of the climate challenge posed by high temperatures and humidity in India. But that should apply for other brands as well, which we haven't come across that much. Swipe left for next video. Most of the green line issues with OnePlus phones have been reported with models like the OnePlus 8, OnePlus 9, and the OnePlus 11. The newer models have been less culpable of these issues, which means the 13s should also hold fine. The OnePlus 13s has launched in India priced at 54,999 rupees, and you can get some bank offers to pick up the base model for under 50,000 rupees in the market. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, features a dual rear camera system, and gets a 6.32-inch AMOLED display, which makes it a compact device. Latest blogs.